Hey everyone, welcome back to Canvas to Code. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this clean and minimal music equalizer bars animation using just HTML and CSS. Let's start with the HTML file, where the structure is very simple. We use a single div tag with the class equalizer as our main container, and inside this div we place 5 span elements. Now moving to the CSS file, first, we center everything on the screen by styling the body with a full height, a dark background color, and flexbox properties like display flex, justify content center, and align items, center. Next, we style the equalizer container to show all spans side by side using display flex and add spacing between them with gap, 8px. Then we style each bar by giving every span a fixed width, an initial height of 20px, a neon green background color, and rounded corners using border radius. To make them animate like real music equalizer bars, we create a CSS keyframe animation called bounce that increases each bar's height from 20px to 60px and back down. We apply this animation to all spans with a duration of 0.8 seconds and an infinite looping effect. To make the bars move in a wave-like pattern instead of all jumping at the same time, we add small animation delays to each span using nth-child selectors. This delay gives every bar its own timing, making the animation look smooth and realistic. And just like that, your music equalizer animation is ready that works perfectly for music players, loaders, dashboards, and modern websites. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Canvas to Code for more.